I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Arkham Horror. Start by selecting one of the terrifying ancient ones, like Cthulhu or Azathoth, and prepare its unique cards. Next, lay out the large game board, placing the various decks of cards, such as the Arkham Encounters and Mythos decks, in their designated spots. Each player then chooses an investigator, taking their starting equipment and skills. Finally, distribute 3 clue tokens to each investigator to begin their perilous journey. During the investigator phase, each player takes their turn. You can move your investigator up to 2 spaces across Arkham's eerie locations. When you arrive at a new spot, you'll draw an Arkham Encounter card, facing challenges or gaining rewards. You can also trade items or valuable clue tokens with other investigators who are in your same location, fostering cooperation against the encroaching darkness. The Mythos phase brings new threats to Arkham. First, draw a Mythos card which often reveals new events, opens gates to other dimensions, and spawns terrifying monsters. These creatures then move across the board, often towards the nearest investigator. Additionally, the Ancient One's doom track advances by 1, bringing the world closer to its ultimate destruction if not stopped. To achieve victory, investigators must work together to seal 6 gates to other worlds before the Ancient One awakens. Alternatively, if the Ancient One does awaken, you must confront and defeat it in a desperate final battle. However, if the Ancient One's doom track fills completely, or if all investigators are devoured by the horrors, Arkham and the world will fall to the ancient evil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.